I want to talk today about making people smile. You know, it's a topic that should be near and dear to everybody's heart that's in dentistry, because that's obviously what you want to do. But, you know, sometimes I feel like we don't always look at the soul of the person. It's amazing to me how often I hear stories about some patient who came in, and I've seen these stories. But I would be watching. If you ever have a patient who comes in and every time they smile like that, instead of a nice, great big smile, or they're covering their mouth, that's the person that you really want to chat with, because it's incredible how much you can change a person's life. You can decrease the age, the appearance of age on their face, purely with some cosmetics. Literally, the smile does it all. And I want to show a couple pictures, people you'll know, who you can see the before after. It's fascinating. You know, the first one we'll throw up is Celine Dion. You know, next, look at Cheryl Cole. I'm not sure who Cheryl Cole is. 50 Cent. It's my best gangster impression. Or look at Nicolas Cage. See, and then lastly, I want to hit my young peeps out in the dental offices. We'll go Zac Efron, and look at what a transformation it's been to him to close a diastema, probably whiten, fix, and straight, all kinds of things. But it's amazing to me to see how that can transform somebody's life and what an impact it can have. So one of the challenges we have is we deal in a kind of stressful place, right? Lots of patients don't seem to appreciate us. We're working in a small little hole, and some of you doctors have big sausage fingers. It's hard to get in there. And the patients complain about coming to see you. And we don't celebrate transformations like these enough. And I know you guys all have some. In fact, my suggestion would be, you've got before afters of your own patients. You need to take those before afters, loop them on a video. If you don't know how to do that, let us know. We'll walk you through it. It's really easy. But loop them together on a video where you're getting to show what this looks like. So the reason why I share that, though, is one, we need to get that story out, because there's other people who are interested in the same thing, but they don't even know it's available. And I think the same is true here. Patients might not realize how impactful it can be when you do this sort of dentistry, how much it'll change their life, how much more energy it'll give them. And not that it actually gives them the energy, but because they have a different level of confidence, they can wander around with a little bit of swagger in their step and be called 50 Cent, because they were willing to get their smile changed, and they were willing to go through that process. And now all of a sudden you get job promotions, you get whatever it is. It's amazing to see what can happen through self-confidence. My question and challenge to you is, what as an office and as a team can you do to start identifying those opportunities? Something tells me if you're offering your services, even if you're billing for them, but if you're offering them and you're getting to see that person who you changed their life, guess who probably gets to smile a lot more? You. And that's why you went to dental school. That's why you went to assisting school. That's why you went to hygiene school. So my suggestion to you is to have the courage to find the people, to find the opportunities. Eric Ballou's daughter walked up to a patient, I think at a golf course, who apparently did not have a nice smile, and said, "My daddy can fix that for you." The greatest promoter in the world is the doctor's daughter, because he probably wouldn't have done that. So have the faith and confidence to tell people that they can have something different, because otherwise they're just going to want faster horses, because they don't know that there's a better option out there. With that said, I want to conclude. We'll throw one more picture up there. I don't know which one Sam's going to pick, but she's going to randomly pick one. I want you to think of this person, whoever it is. They might not have been an actor before. They might not have been famous when these pictures took place. I'm not really sure. But look at Nicolas Cage. Look at the confidence that you can see in his eyes, you can see in his face. And the dude was probably already making $10 million a year when he did that first one, because I think Con Air, he still had crazy teeth like that. And now look at how the swagger the guy has. It's amazing to see what you can do to somebody. I hope you get that opportunity to do something just like that for one of your patients this year, this month. Find one, even if you got to give it away. If you don't know how to do it, find a patient, donate it, because that allows you to develop the confidence to do it. Hope you've enjoyed the show. Look forward to seeing you next week, 8 o'clock Mountain, 10 o'clock on the East Coast. Until then, have a wonderful day. I can't wait to see you smiling yourself. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye. What if you could have the practice of your dreams?
What's holding you back? Imagine a life where you have everything you ever wanted.